Chapter 2: The Chosen One. Marc chose the pharmaceutical industry, but he barely knew what an aspirin was. He soon realized he was dealing with a complicated key market. The pharmaceutical industry is one of the most heavily regulated in Europe. Many global producers are eager to supply the European market with their medicines, but lack EU-approved production plants. Biopharma offers the solution: a tech transfer. No, Marc had no idea what it was either. But Biopharma is a small company, and its founder and CEO deals with staff on a one-to-one basis. Francesc spoke with his young intern daily, teaching Marc all he needed to know about his company, which had grown by 30% in 2020. Marc learned that in a tech transfer, there is an A company that produces outside of Europe and doesn't have the certification to sell here. So it transfers the production technology of its drug component to Biopharma, which makes the production in Europe possible. In return, it also buys all the raw material from Company A. It's a win-win situation. Biopharma also helps other international companies expand in the Spanish and European market by acting as a sales agent. Marc soon grasped how that worked. This was his area of expertise. So at Biopharma, he would not only learn what an aspirin was and how to apply his newly acquired knowledge, but he would also gain the skills to certify components of medicinal products, develop and market new generic drugs, strike deals with South Korea. The icing on the cake was Biopharma's new R&D department, built to develop its own products and manufacturing processes. Marc learned a tremendous amount, but what would happen when the internship came to an end?